In this video, I will show you how to see your TikTok password if you've forgotten. So the steps are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open up your TikTok as can see like this one, so now tap on this as can see now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So after you open up your profile as can see now, it will ask you now to type in your login information for your TikTok. But now you forgot your TikTok password. So to get your TikTok password, all you have to do now, close your TikTok app and go and open your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail, tap on your profile at the top right side. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says manage account on this device. So now it will take you to this option as you can see now. Under this option now, all you have to do now, tap on this first option which says Google and password, this one. Tap on this first option Google. So as you can see now, in this section as you can see now here it says password manager. So now you can be able now to see the password of your TikTok app as you can see. If you scroll to down and as you can see here is tiktok.com, so tap on it. Now it will ask you to confirm your password before you continue. So as you can see now, here is my TikTok as you can see now password. Here is my username as you can see. Here is the username now, and here is the password. Now all you have to do now, just tap on this section to copy the password and go and log in into your TikTok app. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.